Cooking in Action. My name is Gabriel. Today we're going to make Pico De Gallo. The ingredients for this are simple. All you need is 1 cup of chopped onions. I'm chopping up 5 tomatoes, as you can see right now. To spice it up, you can use 1 jalapeno or serrano pepper. And you can also use a bunch of cilantro to give it a little zest. We'll also be using salt and pepper to season it, okay? And also, before I forget, one lemon's juice to really zest this up as well. So let's get chopping. Collect it all, put it in the mixture with the Pico De Gallo. Make sure you don't waste any. Now we're on to the chilies. All you have to do for the chilies is just chop it up. Make sure you take off the tail before you do this. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and chop it up. Fine slices. So we've chopped up all the chilies. Put this in there as well. We're going to go and zest it up with a little bit of this lemon right here. The juice of this whole lemon should be enough to cover all 5 tomatoes, cup of onion, and a bunch of cilantro. So we're just going to put the juices of this. And you don't have to be too exact. You can use the skint or something else. Make sure you get the majority of the juice out. And 1/2. And here's your other half. Now what we're missing is salt and pepper. Take your salt. And remember, this is a recipe for 5 tomatoes chopped up, 1 cup of onion, a bunch of cilantro, 1 chili, 1 lemon juice. And we're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of salt with that. It doesn't have to be exact. Alright, and what I put there was 1 teaspoon, not 1 tablespoon. Please don't get high blood pressure. So there's that. We're going to top it off with the pepper. Just a little bit, not too much. There's Pico De Gallo. We're going to mix it up. And just keep this mixing it up until you're satisfied. I'm no professional chef, and I'm sure you aren't either. So this shouldn't be that hard. Just go grab yourself some tortilla chips and enjoy your night. Thank you for visiting cookinginaction.com. This is Gabe. We'll see you in the next recipe. Action. My name is Gabriel. Today we're going to make Pico De Gallo. In order to make this, all you need is 1 cup of onions. Here I have 5 tomatoes that I'm chopping up right now. You can use a serrano or a jalapeno pepper to spice this up. You can also use the juice of 1 lemon to give it a zest. So, just come in. Well, welcome to Cooking in Action. My name is Gabriel. Today we're going to be making Pico De Gallo. And today, to finish that